Hello everyone, myself Kishan Lal. Again, I am before all of you to discuss the situation in the country. Everyone is facing economical crisis. But I know the people of India, and I know who we are. Every time, whenever such kind of conditions surround us, we always come victorious. Everyone in India has the ability, potential, caliber, and all the human qualities that makes him come victorious. Today I am going to discuss the grim situation the whole world is facing. We are under the threat of the coronavirus. Everybody is talking about the coronavirus and the aftermath of the coronavirus situation, which is going to be more grim. There will be vast unemployment. But we know that after every dark night, there is a bright morning. We should wait for that morning to come, but not sitting idle. We have a lot of work to do right now. We have our homework to do. Many more companies, multinational companies are coming to India, no doubt. They will set up their business in our country, and that will generate a lot of employment. But we do in between that. We have to develop our infrastructure. For that, government has already decided 1 lakh crore was estimated. 1 lakh crore post project is already running by the central government. Central Vista is also under the process. And what we have to do now, we have a lot of homework to do. Sitting idle and waiting for the lockdown to end. I think that will be the wastage of time. This is the right time to make plans. Everybody at his or her caliber can think about future, their plans, their strategies to generate employment. Now desperately we need job provider rather job seeker. This is right time for all of you to become a successful entrepreneur. That we can do. We have got a chance. We are discussing about the problems of the coronavirus. Why don't we see beyond that? An opportunity to come out with all our caliber. How long we are going to be we will become the delivery boys of some multinational companies. How long? Why don't we do our own business? Why don't we come out of the job seeking mentality? This is right time, guys. Come out. Everybody of you has an entrepreneur in yourself. Bring that out, generate employment, and make our country stable, self-reliant, and now make a strategy that always we need a driver's seat. We must always be the engine of the train. But we witnessed pre-corona period, we were found in the queues, in the long queues, and submitting our curriculum vitae or the biodata. Why? In our society, everybody is looking for the job. Everybody is running after the walk-in interviews, taking their resume, collecting them from here and there, and just imposing themselves as an educated, brilliant person to be hired. Why we serve ourselves as hiring person? I think this is the right time to change our mentality, to come out and make this country once again self-reliant, using indigenous product. We have the talent. We have the talent. You can see the glorious past of India. We have been very powerful, our trades and our businesses. We had already made the whole world felt our presence in the business arena. So I think we will pay heed towards the grim situation and make your plan to establish at least MSME, one-man company, partnership, limited liability partnership, etc. Domestic business, and even you can start your own shop and the small manufacturing. We are going to have good opportunity. Guys, try to understand the situation today. I think all of you will do your part and I'll be doing my part. Thank you so much for listening me. If you like, then you can send a like. Thank you so much.